was stoned by your trace, and you jammed myself oblivion into the lover's place. I was stuck in a puddle full of tears and unwise, stuck doing something that we fit unlike, and you know, hey, when we walked out and I felt like we can throw away the thoughts of ever past. And I know, you, it's been the hardest days to you. Let's show them out the window, that's what those lovers do.